With its bold spices and tantalizing aroma, Ofada sauce stands out as a flavor powerhouse. It is not just a condiment, it is the star of the show, perfectly complementing the rich and aromatic Ofada rice. Are you curious about what sets Ofada rice and sauce apart from your usual dishes? Then join us as we uncover the magic behind this Nigerian delicacy and get ready to savor flavors like never before. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. Don't miss out. Watch till the end for a perfect twist. The ingredients I'll be using in today's recipe are 1. Bleached palm oil. This oil is actually palm oil that has been processed to remove its natural color and flavor, resulting in a lighter, more neutral oil. It is commonly used in Nigerian cuisine for its rich, smooth texture and ability to enhance the color of dishes. Next, we have seasoning cubes, ground crayfish, onion, beef broth, pepper mix, which is a blend of blended bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, and cayenne peppers. Also, we have beef, cow skin, boiled eggs, Ofada rice, and moi moi leaves. So first of all, cook the Ofada rice. And in order to accomplish this, 1. Thoroughly rinse the Ofada rice in cold water to remove any excess starch and impurities. 2. For softer rice, soak the Ofada rice in water for about 30 minutes to an hour. This step can help reduce cooking time and also improve texture. 3. Bring a pot of water to a boil. You'll need about 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice, but then this can vary slightly depending on the rice and your desired texture. 4. Add the rinsed and soaked Ofada rice to the boiling water. You need to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let the rice sit covered for about 5 minutes. Then fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. So while the rice is cooking, heat up a generous amount of oil. One important ingredient which I forgot to list out is iru, which is also known as locust beans. In the course of the video, I'll tell you more about it. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the beef pieces into it. Fry the beef, turning occasionally until it is browned and crispy on all sides. The importance of using locust beans in making Ofada sauce cannot be overemphasized. Locust beans provide a rich, savory umami flavor that is essential to the distinct taste of Ofada sauce. Once the beef is fried, use a slotted spoon to remove the beef from the oil. Now it is time to make the Ofada sauce, and in order to do this, I'll be using the same oil which I used in frying the beef. Using the same oil for the sauce adds richness and depth of flavor, making the dish even more delicious. And so I started by adding the chopped onions. Add iru, which is also known as locust beans, and this is a traditional fermented condiment used widely in West African cuisine, particularly in Nigeria. Next, add the blended onion. Since Ofada sauce is a traditional Nigerian dish, locust beans is one of the ingredients that defines its authenticity. Add some ground crayfish. Add the blended pepper mix. Stir well to combine with the oil. Cook the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the oil starts to separate from the paste. Locust bean is packed with nutrients including protein, fiber, and important minerals like calcium and iron. So incorporating locust bean in Ofada sauce does not only make the dish delicious, it also makes it nourishing. Layer in your seasoning. Now add in the fried beef and cow skin. Add in the eggs. And then allow to simmer for some minutes to let the flavors combine. Now taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary. And there you have it, a masterpiece of bold flavors and rich textures. This Ofada sauce is truly a celebration of Nigerian cuisine at its finest. This dish is proof that simplicity and tradition can create something extraordinary. With each spoonful, you will experience why Ofada sauce is a timeless favorite. A perfect balance of flavors packed with tradition and love. Ofada rice and sauce, an unforgettable taste experience you want to enjoy over and over. Have you tried Ofada rice and sauce before? How did this recipe turn out for you? Drop your feedback in the comments below and let's chat about your experience or any twist you have added or you would want to add to this dish. I would really love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. If you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious Ofada rice and sauce, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tasty recipes. There is still plenty more to come. See you in the next one.